Hi, my name is Andy Thomas Emmons, and I'm Strategic Director of the Tarsus Labels and Packaging Group. Just talking about what I've seen at the show on the first 2 days and what lessons I think that might hold for the label packaging industry going forward. So obviously it's been very much a digitally orientated show here, as we know. There aren't any flexo presses, which is a real first for the years I've been coming to Label Expo. And what we've seen really is that digital is approaching the productivity levels of flexo. You know, the launch of the V12 press from HP Indigo, and also the 20-inch Tower RSCI. It's printing 100 meters a minute on a 20-inch web. So this is really impressive stuff, challenging flexo productivity. But also, I think on the entry level, we've seen a lot of very interesting entry-level all-in-one digital presses. So we're really kind of catering now for everything from the kind of entry-level digital up through kind of all-in-one digital presses, right through to these sort of high-end and also the hybrid machines. But also, I think very interesting on the finishing side, not only are we seeing digital embellishment, so we're seeing kind of analog plates being replaced by inkjet heads for coating, for example, for tactile effects, but I think we're also seeing a very high degree of modularity, so really plug-and-play systems where a converter can modify a finishing machine for a particular job very quickly. A machine recognizes the parts automatically and puts it up in front of the operator. Workflow, automation, Industry 4, IoT, these are all going to be key themes going forward, and I think there's been much more of a focus now with this move, pivot towards digital on workflow efficiencies at the plant. Everything now which you're doing in manual processes can and will be replaced by automation. And that's something I think we'll see going forward. I expect to see a lot of that tomorrow. I think at the next show at Label Expo in Europe next year, this is going to be kind of a super big theme, which we'll be covering in a magazine and on the websites up to that point. Very much looking forward to the last day tomorrow.
I'm Chelsea McDougall, the Group Managing Editor for Labels and Labeling Magazine. We're here at Label Expo Americas 2022. It's been a really exciting couple days at the show. Everybody's just been absolutely busy, and the stands are buzzing, the hallways are just jam-packed with people, excited to see each other again, excited to learn about the new technology. I'm covering materials at the show this year, and it's been an interesting couple years for our material suppliers since we last saw them. Converters are talking about lead times, price increases, and really just kind of looking for some relief. Material suppliers are telling me that better times are on the horizon. Obviously, no one has a crystal ball for the next 6 months, but they do believe that the market volatility is starting to stabilize and get a little bit better, and converters will find some relief. That being said, all the conversations that they've had with their converter partners have been really positive, and they've really been understanding that they're kind of all weathering this difficult time together. Other than that, a lot of our material suppliers are talking about sustainability. That's a hot topic that everyone is concerned about. So they're introducing either recyclable materials, removable adhesives, or inks that wash off in the recycling waste stream. So really interesting show. Lots more to see in the next couple days. Follow along at Labels and Labeling.
Hi, I'm Luis Rodriguez, North America Editor for Labels and Labeling Magazine, and we're here at Label Expo Americas 2022. On the show floor, I'm covering dies and toolings and converting equipment. As of right now, there's a shortage of skilled operators in the United States and across the globe. So in the dies and tooling section, there is a push for ease of use. You press a button, let the machine go. Makes it easy, don't have to train up. And on the converting equipment end, there's a large push for digital embellishment from manufacturers and suppliers. You don't have to worry about the materials that are running short. You don't have to worry about the inks that are running short. You just have the machine, the digital press that you have right now, do all the work for you. We're looking forward to see what's on the show floor tomorrow and to close out Label Expo Americas 2022.